Okay, here we are. We're in Voodoo Donuts. Supposed to be like the best donuts on the planet at Universal Studios. And I think we're gonna get like, I don't know, the no-name peanut butter, all that. What are you getting? Anyway, here they are.
I want the Captain Crunch one.
Yeah.
Then we got Captain Crunch.
What to get? What to get?
They picked.
Voodoo Donuts. Okay, we'll get some pictures of what we get in a second. So we got the chocolate peanut butter one that actually sounds pretty good. Funny, Lorena and I are always eating. Oh, I like this. This is my favorite. Okay. Next we have the Grape Ape. I like that one. I do. You like that? But she likes sweeter. Okay, now we have the bacon maple one. Oh, I like that one. That one's really good. And then we have the Voodoo donut. You want to eat the stick?
No, I'll pass.
Come on. She wouldn't go for it. All right, try this one. That one tastes like a very good donut with chocolate on it. Okay. So, I'd say these are some of the best donuts I've had.
I agree.
And their motto is the magic is in the hole. Okay. The donuts were so good, I dropped my phone right on top of them. My phone wanted a taste of the donut. Okay, we'll see ya. New adventure, another adventure. Voodoo Donuts, just a donut. Hi, this is Cynthia Rothrock. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. And if you like the videos, please put a like on it and refer it to your friends.